Hey guys, Beckylicious here. Once you grill the peaches, you'll never put raw fruit in a salad again. Look at this amazing grilled peach summer salad. It is absolutely to die for. Stick around to watch how easy it was. The very first step for this yummy grilled peach summer salad is we're going to make the vinaigrette, and it's super easy to do. So I've got some balsamic vinegar and a little bit of olive oil. And then to give it that little bit of sweet, we've got some honey, because you got to have your sweet. You know how I am about that. Get all of that mixed up in there, because like I said, I want all the yumminess. A little bit of salt, and pepper, and we're good to go. So we're going to get this all mixed up. Now we got to get our peaches sliced up, and we're just slicing them straight down the middle, and of course getting that pit taken out as well. So, right, peaches are cut in half. Now we're ready to come over and throw these puppies on the grill. I got my little indoor griddle, but before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun. We've got our cut peaches, and we've got that vinaigrette that we made earlier. So I'm just going to brush a little bit on each half. I want to get it all in all the nooks and crannies. And then we're just going to throw this on the grill. Let this grill up a little bit. Sounds good, doesn't it? All right. I got some great char marks on these. Ooh, perfect. All right, so we're going to pull these off of the griddle. Let these cool down a little bit. And then it's time to throw our chicken on the griddle. Time to put the chicken on. So I've got a chicken breast, and I cut it in half so it's not quite as thick. So we're just going to throw this on there, season it up a little bit. All right, this chicken is looking really, really yummy. So we're going to give this a few more. But right now, we're going to get these peaches nice and sliced up and ready to throw on our salad. Peaches are all sliced up. Now it's time to pull this chicken off of the griddle. Look at how yummy that looks. We're going to let this cool for a little bit, and then we're going to start throwing this salad together. All right, it's time to throw this summer peach salad all together. I've got my greens in here already, and you can use whatever you like. I've got my chicken that we grilled up earlier. I got it all cut up. So we're just going to kind of layer in a little bit of chicken, and of course you've got to have those yummy peaches that we grilled earlier as well. Look at how yummy this is going to be. Ugh. I've got some cucumbers. I throw those off to the side. I have some cherry tomatoes because you got to have a little bit of color in here as well. So we're going to throw those in there. Red onion. Just kind of sprinkle that all throughout, and for that extra little bit of crunch. And then we've got these yummy glazed pecans to go on top. So we're going to throw those. And then, of course, last but not least, we've got that vinaigrette that we made earlier. So we're going to drizzle this all in here, and then it's going to be time to mix it all up and time to plate it up. Grilled peach summer salad is finished. Look at how amazing this looks. To die for. Super easy. I didn't have to heat up my oven or anything. It's an amazingly easy meal. So there you go. I hope you guys had a good time today, because I know that I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. Time to taste this. Because, Oh, amazing.